Welcome back to Caring Guy. If you're looking for a powerful long-range drone with a built-in screen controller, GPS, and an 8K camera, today's video is for you. This is the new M24 Drone, and it promises flagship-level features in a compact, foldable design. Let's take a closer look. Right out of the box, the M24 Drone feels solid and premium. It uses brushless motors, which means quieter flight, better efficiency, and longer lifespan. When folded, it's incredibly compact, easy to carry in a backpack, and once unfolded, it transforms into a stable, professional-looking quadcopter ready for flight. One of the biggest highlights is the remote controller with a built-in screen. You don't need to connect your phone. The controller shows real-time digital image transmission, flight data, and camera view instantly. This makes flying smoother, faster, and more reliable, especially outdoors. The M24 Drone features an 8K HD camera with electronic image stabilization. In real use, this means clearer photos, smoother video, and reduced shaking even while moving. You also get dual camera switching, remote zoom, and gesture photo control, making aerial photography simple and fun. This drone is built for long and confident flights. With a high-capacity 3,000 mAh battery, it delivers up to 40 minutes of flight time under ideal conditions. GPS satellite positioning keeps the drone locked in place, while optical flow hovering improves stability at low altitudes. Safety is where the M24 really shines. It includes multiple auto return-to-home systems, low battery return, out-of-range return, signal loss return. Add obstacle avoidance, and you get a drone that's much safer for beginners and professionals alike. For creative shots, the M24 offers intelligent flight modes like 360-degree orbit flight, waypoint flight, dronie mode, rocket mode. There's even button-press voice prompts, helping you stay informed while flying. With long-range digital transmission and strong GPS support, the M24 is designed for extended exploration and wide-area filming, perfect for landscapes, travel shots, and outdoor adventures. So, is the M24 Drone worth it? If you want long flight time, a built-in screen controller, GPS safety features, and an advanced camera, the M24 is an impressive all-in-one aerial solution. Thanks for watching Caring Guy. If this review helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comments. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, fly smart and take care.